Hello, SVUSD. I'm Dr. Crystal Turner, the proud superintendent of the Saddleback Valley Unified School District, and I am thrilled to introduce Season 3 of our video series, SV Connects. This video series is all about the moments that connect us as a school district, moments that reflect our commitment to every student, every family, and every member of our community. In SVUSD, we believe in the power of connection. That's why our mission is focused on equitable, intentional, and engaging practices that provide opportunities for each and every student to be successful. In SV Connects, you'll see firsthand the inspiring stories and innovative practices that make our district a place where students can thrive, whether it's in the classroom, on the blacktop, the sports field, the stage, or out in our community. These are the moments that bring us together and drive us forward. In this edition of SV Connects, we've captured scenes from across the district, highlighting the energy and dedication that went into preparing our schools and welcoming back our students. From the busy moments leading up to the first day to the lively scenes after the school year got into full swing, this edition showcases the vibrant spirit and commitment that make our district a special place to grow and learn. We hope you'll join us on this journey as we highlight the incredible people and programs that make Saddleback Valley Unified School District a place where connections matter. Thank you for being a part of our community, and I can't wait to share our SV Connect stories with you throughout the 24-25 school year.
Welcome back, Leopards!